Hi, Matt here again. I've got another feature yet another one. Yep, another one to show you on the 650. This is a really good feature for such a small machine. Most machines are not capable of doing this, so this is a really exciting feature that we managed to get into this machine. I'm going to remove quite a few bits off it just to make it easier for you to see, and it's going to make it easier to mount as well. So for a starter, we're not actually laminating with film, so I'm taking the rewind mandrel off. I'm going to line my key up. He says, take the film mandrel off. I'm also going to come to the back of the machine and remove my cutter, because we don't need any of that for the mounting we're about to do. So I'll grab my mount that I'm going to do. This is one, if you've seen our earlier video on cold laminating, this is the one we cold laminated. So what we're looking at with this is I'm going to set my lever on the side here. So I want to set it to the second position, which is setting me for 5 millimeters. In this case, we are mounting on a Coreflute, so a fluted plastic board. So what I'm going to do, the board itself is self-adhesive. So basically I'm going to get it into the rollers like I am now. I'm going to let the machine go forward. And at that point I'm going to stop it. From there, I'm now going to move to the back of the laminator. So what I've got now is my print trapped down to the board, being held by the laminator. So now I can remove the adhesive, protective layer, so our release liner. So what I've done there, if you can see it, I've pulled my liner up, so this is now sticky. I've put a fold in it, and then I'm laying my print back down on top of it again. So then now what I'm going to do is switch the machine to reverse. So for that I need to basically cancel, hit reverse, hold the reverse button, and I'm going to bring the print back through again. So what this has done, you can mount that first leading edge there. You can do that by hand, but this way guarantees you it will go down smooth and flat. And then what I want to do is shift back to forward and then stop the machine at that point. So I've re-fed my edge back in. I'm going to throw the print over the top. I'm going to grab my release paper and then I'm going to let it go again. So basically all I'm doing, the machine's now taking the print. I'm only just holding that down, I'm not putting pressure on it. So now the machine's basically applying the print. And there's your pretty much finished article. So we've now mounted that to the board absolutely perfectly, no creases, no nothing. What I'll go now, I'm going to sneak off and come back and it'll be trimmed. So now I've trimmed out our print. As you can see, like the value it adds having a mounted printed board, right, that looks like a high value piece of artwork now. And all we started with was just a poster. And we ended up with this, and with only a few minutes work, all produced by our 650 machine. Thank you very much for watching. If there's any other questions, as always, don't hesitate to get on the phone, ring us and let us know. We're always happy to talk to you and help you work out how to get your project done, or from films to projects to anything. Thank you very much.